Jack. Uh, we're going for Winstrate Vito right here. I think this will work. I have a very funny way of beating Aggron. Ah! Huh? That's me. Well, I hope this works. We're gonna find out. Alright. We're gonna start with a bulldoze. I don't know if that matters. I sure hope it doesn't. We'll find out soon. Okay, if this baits in a Crobat, we might be kind of fucked. Nah, we cool. Alright, so it's Swellow. And a Swellow sees kills with... Boom Burst and Brave Bird. Cool. Normal. As expected. That did not matter. Kind of wanted Brave Bird. This will kill. It's a cool animation. $83. Should be fine. We're going to be using this guy later. Okay. So this is Breloom. With ooh, there's one roll of Mach Punch. But it could Sky Uppercut or it could Bullet Seed. I would much prefer Sky Uppercut. And it can't Spore because it sees a kill. Oh, okay, come on. Just chill. Just be a 3-hit. Be a 2-hit. Can a 2-hit? I think it can. Chill, chill, chill. Good! Okay, sick. Never mind. We're cool. So now it sees that I outspeed and kill it with Psychic. So I'm leaving. Because now it's just stuck in Mach Punch. It's going to have the Fighting Gem still, so this is going to do a bit. But I will be okay. I'm just going to Roost next turn. Burn. Burn. Boo. It's just going to keep Mach Punching. Oh, cool. Nice. Okay, I'm going to Roost again. So I'm at full. This will be important later, because our little bird is gonna kill a monster. This kills, even though I'm holding a berry, because Breloom is weak as hell to flying. Okay, and now it will be Crawdaunt, Crawdaddy. And this is where we're going to have to get a little scientific. So this is going to take the Aqua Jet to use up the Water Gem. Oh. I thought it was guaranteed to Aqua Jet there. Jesus Christ. Thank God. Wow, thank God I sent out Walreed. Oh, wait, is this bad? Oh, wait a second. Uh-oh. Ooh. Wait, wait, what? How did it crab hammer? That doesn't make any sense. It should have always aquajetted because it sees that as a fast kill and it gets a higher priority over the slow kill crabhammer. Well, okay. That's not ideal. I guess I'll steer. Um, I have an item. Oh, no, I don't. I used up my citrus. What am I at? Oh. Well, it worked out in the end. So, thank God I gave that guy a citrus. Holy shit. Now I have no item. So it has to use close combat. If it doesn't do something now, I'm clausing this shit. I swear to God. Okay, cool. So now, it has no item. I do have an item. I have an oranberry. This is a weird spot where it's gonna aquajet. I need to be at 44, ideally. So I'm playing a dangerous little game right now. If it aquajets, I won't be in range. If it knockoffs, I die. So I'm gonna hope it doesn't knock off, just first off. And then I'm gonna reflect. Cool. Great. Okay, that's actually ideal. So now reflect is up. So aquajet will do 16 min, which gets me perfectly into the range. If it crits, I just cry, because that sucks. Cool. Ideal. Crobat will come in because it sees a kill. Sometimes Sludge Bomb, sometimes Heat Wave, but either way, it sees a kill, and that's all I care about. I should take note of Reflect. It only helps me, so that's fine. So this is going to Heat Wave or Sludge Bomb because it outspeeds. This is going to take either of those very well. There's some fiction that can happen here, I think, but we should be fine. But either way, it can't Nasty Plot because it sees a fast kill. So that's the worst case, is if it Nasty Plots. But we should be fine. Cool. Just don't crit. Cool. Even better. So now it doesn't see any kills because Giga Drain can only do 45, but Rock Slide has like literally one roll where it shows a kill on Crobat, which means that it can't set up. So it's not going to use Nasty Plot because I can one-hit KO it. So it's going to use its highest damaging move, which is always Giga Drain. So we're going to switch in Raichu. And now it can Nasty Plot. I don't care. Actually, I hope it does. Oh. Don't crit. That might be annoying. What am I gonna get up to? No, that'll be fine. Cool. And now I'm faster. Oh, will it be fine? How much does this do? Reflect is gone. 82 to... Oh, that's gonna be annoying. Okay. Thunderbolt will kill. Alright. And then Aggron comes in. I'm at 54. And it calcs as regular Aggron. Ironhead has some rolls to kill. Body Press has some rolls to kill. Earthquake will always kill. It will never automatize. Automatize. Hopefully it Earthquakes. That makes everything a lot easier, because then I take 0 damage. Oh no, the Agrondonite. It's aggregating. Oh, this thing's fat. Oh, burn. Burn, burn, burn. Whoa! Jesus! Yeah! Woohoo! Okay. Cool. We should be chill now. So, I have a Lepa Berry, and my plan here is now just to just roost. I'm just gonna keep on roosting. Right, this Body Press now, on a crit, will do a maximum of 44. So get wrecked. This thing just gets walled. I'm currently faster. I think it's gonna automatize, but I'm not taking that chance. Does it see a kill? It does not. So, yeah, we're just gonna roost. Okay, so now it's faster. It's slightly more likely to use Body Press instead of Ironhead. The funny thing is, so it's a +2, it's burned. A crit can do max 44, so I live 2 crits. Oh no! I just Flame Charge. Oh, just don't flinch. Nice. Now I'm faster. So it's gonna automatize again. And this thing just slowly dies. Oh, alright, cool. Did a lot. Oh, because I was landed. Haha, that's funny. I guess I just keep roosting. It's likely to automatize eventually. Eat that berry. Oh, there we go. So now it's +4. It's weird that the berry is eaten so late. So now I Flame Charge. And I become faster again. So I just have to watch out for 88 HP. Chime above. I'm going to Flame Charge again. It's probably going to automatize. And so I'm at +3. Nope, an Ironhead. Alright. I'm a roost. Even if it uses automatize, I am still faster. Because I'm at +3 at 335 and it is +6, 292. GG, get beat by a bird. Ooh. You flattened my bird. Alright, well, see ya. I am just as your grandma described. That's right, buddy. You're welcome. You do have a lot to improve. You suck, dude. Oh. Woohoo! We did it. Throughout that whole desert section, I only lost one Gorbice on the Shed Shell battle because I was dumb. And whatever, it's a Gorbice. Alrighty. See you, Jack.